This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the exact chat or post where you want the emoji up. This is essential. Once there, make sure the input focus is set to the message or reaction area and select the upward emoji from the picker or type its short code. Do this now, don't overconfigure settings. You're starting the action, so watch for immediate preview or live reaction. If you see the emoji appear, you've completed the first step and can move on confidently. Now you trigger placement using the app-specific gesture. Tap for quick, long press for options, or hover when supported. Once done, choose anchored placement to pin the emoji to text or floating to let it drift above content. This matters for visibility. Make sure to use modifiers like shift or a secondary gesture to switch to alternate styles or sizes, because the only way here relies on combining a trigger with the correct placement mode to produce the intended emoji up effect. Finish by confirming the emoji up. Send the message, save the reaction, or preview the post to see it in place. If it does not show, make sure visibility settings and permissions allow reactions, toggle them, and clear the app cache. Once done, restart the app. That often resolves sync or rendering issues. If you still have trouble, check that both parties run a compatible version. Compatibility is the key fix when nothing else works, so update as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.